Hey everyone! Today, we're going to be discussing the top 5 ways to lose weight. Losing weight can be a challenge, but it's important to do so for your health and well-being. So, let's get started. The first tip is to create a calorie deficit. This means that you need to burn more calories than you consume. You can do this by reducing your calorie intake or increasing your physical activity. A good way to start is by tracking your calories and gradually reducing them until you reach a healthy weight. The second tip is to incorporate strength training into your workout routine. Strength training can help you build muscle, which in turn can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories throughout the day. Aim to do strength training exercises at least 2 to 3 times per week. The third tip is to eat a balanced diet. This means consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed and high-calorie foods, and focus on eating nutrient-dense foods that will keep you full and satisfied. The fourth tip is to get enough sleep. Studies have shown that lack of sleep can contribute to weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to establish a consistent sleep routine. Finally, the fifth tip is to drink plenty of water. Water can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and avoid sugary beverages that can contribute to weight gain. Remember, losing weight takes time and effort, but by following these tips, you can achieve your goals and improve your health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.